Hi guys, and in this video we will take a look at Discord. I will show you what it is, how to use it, and its features, also with a comparison between Skype, TeamSpeak and Discord. Let's get started. So first of all, let's start with what Discord is. Discord should be all-in-one voice and text chat for gamers that's free, secure and works on both your desktop and phone. So you don't have to pay anything for servers like for example on TeamSpeak. So Discord is free to download and use for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS and Android. In some cases it can come in handy, also a web browser version of it, which you don't have to install or download at all. You just need to log in into your account and you can chat and call with your friends, so cross-platform support is awesome. Now let's talk a bit about phone version of Discord client, which as I said is available for both iOS and Android, and it is working exactly as should. Navigation is very simple and intuitive. If you will slide from right side of your screen, you will see server users, and from the left side you can switch between servers and text chats. You can also change a lot of different settings, like if you want push to talk or voice activation. And what I really like on Discord is that you can use camera for video calls. I'm also troubleshooting something very often and I'm calling with my friends, and sometimes I need to show something live. I was using Skype just for this purpose, but now when Discord has video calls and screen sharing support, I just uninstall it immediately. Another neat thing which Skype does not have is camera autofocus. So I can finally see sharper image from my camera while I'm calling, which was not supported on Skype for me at all. Discord was really meant for gamers, because if you are on any channel, you can see what all users are playing, if anything. And if you will open it, some game supports even detailed description. Like for example Fortnite, on which you can see that you are in lobby and someone can join. Also League of Legends will show you elapsed time from game, or Kerbal Space Program with this plugin can show you exactly that you are for example orbiting Kerbin in height of 200 km or building a rocket with 45 parts, which will cost 10k funds. Also another feature for gamers is in-game overlay, which is very handy thing while you are playing for example CSGO or Rocket League and you want to see who is talking or texting you. You can also change the user volume if you cannot hear them clearly, and some other stuff without alt-tabbing into desktop and putting your game into background, which can be really annoying. Very important thing is also a sound quality, and what can I say about that? It is as good as your microphone is. But to be technically correct, almost, because there must be always some compression when you are streaming voice or audio through the internet. But it is very decent, and if you want, you can even set a specific bitrate for each voice channel. Another important thing for gamers is performance. I never had an issue with that, because my desktop PC is quite powerful, but some of my friends has always had FPS issues while we were playing and using Skype for voice call. It was consuming some resources and that can lower your FPS in game, so we ended up almost always on TeamSpeak. But now Discord claims to have minimal impact on your CPU, so your game's performance will not be affected, and from my testing they are right. It is consuming much less CPU and memory than Skype or TeamSpeak. Again, well done Discord. If you also care about security, Discord should be encrypted, so that means that all communication and your IP address will be kept in safe and encrypted, also with DDoS protection. Skype was really bad in that aspect, and TeamSpeak can only encrypt the IP address, so again Discord is winner here. Now this is the best part. You can create your own Discord server or community totally for free. But that's not everything. You can create different channels and categories for everything you need. For example, on my Discord server, we have a category for my each YouTube channel and then subcategories for specific things. So all our chats and communications will be sorted and clean. Then you have separate voice and text channels, and inside the chat you can use awesome things like mentioning people or different channels, use custom emojis for different channels and games, or create groups with different permissions. And with this ability, you can do almost anything. You can set up for example a welcome screen by creating a new text channel, but you will remove permission for members to write new messages into that channel, and only you can put a message to welcome a new users. Or my YouTube videos announcement channel, where only I can post my new videos, but I gave to other users only ability to react with emojis, which leads me to another awesome feature of Discord. Custom channel emojis. You can upload any image, but it must be under 256 kilobytes in size and make unique emoji for your channel. There is an option to buy premium Discord features called Discord Nitro, which costs $5 monthly, or you can buy it for whole year a bit cheaper. It isn't necessary to have, but you will have a custom Discord tag or something like ID, animated avatar, you can share your screen in source quality like 1080p 60 fps, you can use your unique emojis between all servers, because without Nitro, you can only use custom emojis on your server. Then you can also share images and files up to 50 MB instead of 8 and animated emojis. Another awesome feature is Discord Stream Kit, which will allow you to connect your account with partnered apps like Patreon, Nightbot, Twitch, YouTube, OBS, Reddit and much more. You can use that, for example, to sync your YouTube subscribers with a specific Discord role. So anyone who will have a subscription on your YouTube channel will have a special YouTuber rank, for example with some advantages over regular users. Or moderators from YouTube chat, users who donated you something on Patreon, can for example be VIP role with specific permissions and much more. If you're a big streamer or YouTuber, Discord is giving you an opportunity to become a Discord partner, so you will have a special server with unique URL, free Discord Nitro, some Discord branded hoodies, or even some money. For server owners and programmers, I have another good feature. There are plenty of bots available, which are for managing chat, roles, cleaning up spam like too many emojis, large characters, music bots, or if you want to be really fancy, you can create your own bot, as for example we have in JavaScript or C#. These bots can even manage and give you rank based on how active you are on server, and from that you can set some new roles. So in conclusion, Discord really is the best option for chatting, calling, gaming, screen sharing, picture and file sharing, community management and much more. Resources consumption is really minimal. In case of crash, it will automatically restart without corrupting the gaming session. It even has some features for some streamers and YouTubers, roles and permissions, and very nice user interface with awesome cross-platform support. Only sometimes Discord servers are overloaded and it can last a few seconds to create a connection between you and server. Nothing that bad, but it is worth mentioning it. Okay guys, that is it for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, leave them in the comment section down below, or you can join my own Discord server on which we are working for a while now. Have a nice day and bye!